Amazing. OMG, we made it to the zoo park! Good morning, mga lalab! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Good morning, Dada!
Good morning.
Good morning, baby! Kung bago kayo dito sa aming channel, ako si Yen. This is my bana, Jan. This is our daughter, Sophia.
Shut your thing then.
So, it's our, ano na ba? It's our second day. Third day. Third day actually was from Thursday, Friday, Saturday na today. So, we are going to have our breakfast first before kami mag-check out. At before kami magpapak ng aming mga things. So, I'm just going to prepare the hair of Sophia. Wait, prepare. Have to do her hair. Tapos kakain na kami. Come here, Mama. Here, in the middle. So, we are out from the hotel. My emergency. We have to drop by to Albert Heijn. Kasi, may bisita ako kaninang madaling araw. Sabi ko, OMG. So, we needed to drop by kasi wala akong dalang sanitary naps. Pads para. Sanitary pads.
Go.
Arrive at your destination at 8:54.
So, Sophia's at the back watching her iPod. Ayan. Hi, baby! So, we had breakfast and then Bana paid all the bills. He settled everything. This one dito. So, kailangan ko lang bumili ng napkin kay whole day pa kami punta pa kami ng isang zoo before we go home.
Just be quiet.
Kasi may tumtum. Yan o.
After 200 meters, turn right. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
Nabili ko na siya. Ayan. Tsaka tissue din ni Dada. So, we're heading to the zoo. See you later.
300 meters. Keep left.
So, my review about the very noisy Bastion Hotel in Arnhem. The hotel is new, as in bagong-bago siya. Yung toilet nila bago, yung mga rooms, cleanliness okay din, yung interior nila sa lobby and their lift are all new, parang bago pa siya na building. And the price is also okay. Yung breakfast nila,
If you do the deal.
if you do the deal, sinama kasi namin yung breakfast for 2 days. So, okay naman yung okay naman yung breakfast. Kaso lang, yesterday lang kami, meron silang yung parang, what do you want for your egg? Pero today, wala. Hindi siya available. Siguro sa weekend, not available. But during weekdays, it's available. Tapos, wala masyadong yung customer service nila in the breakfast, wala masyadong nag-a-assist. Tapos dinner, restaurant, Dada's been eating there 2 times. Yung food naman nila is okay. Yung portion was
The ribs
big.
were very nice.
So the ribs was very nice. So it's 20 euro for that 800 gram na ribs and fries. And very important din kasi sa amin because we have a daughter, a toddler. So the hotel is not so very child friendly kasi
No child menu.
walang child menu sa restaurant. And ano pa ba? What else? They didn't have also any present for the child, something like a colored book or a paper na
This is
pwede
Europe.
niyang
This is Europe.
coloring. No, in Europe, in the plane, they have it. In the Philippines, they have it. Europe, wala siya. Toiletries, meron naman siyang shampoo at saka ano. Then, wala siyang ano. I was looking for iron. Walang iron din. So, make sure next time you iron your clothes kasi hindi mo alam. Unless, siguro, it's a very, very luxurious hotel. And, di din ako nag-ask ng ganon na service. So far, okay naman siya. It's near the center of Arnhem. Tapos, malapit din siya doon sa Jack Frost na bridge. And then, malapit lang din siya sa zoo. Kaya doon kami nag-stay. Kasi our purpose was to go to the zoo yesterday. And then, yeah, yun lang. Basta yun lang. It was an okay stay. The bed is nice.
Big.
It's big, king size, as in super big. Fits, I think, 3 people. Kasya Sophia, pero Sophia occupied most of it. Hindi kami hindi kami makagalaw kasi Sophia was here, there, and everywhere. So she was so excited, as in she was so happy, na she was just always jumping, screaming, talking, na you cannot understand. So now, we're heading home, pero dadaan muna kami sa zoo nga. Kasi, I decided, this is not in the plan, but sabi ko, we'll just drop by kasi, yeah, it's a waste of a day, and then it's on our way home, kaya, I booked I reserved the hotel, the ticket yesterday. So, someone wants to see real lions and tigers. Kasi hindi niya nakita kahapon sa kabilang zoo. So,
700 meters, take the exit, then keep left.
okay, we are now in Overloon.
Almost.
And Ben has something to say.
For this zoo park, it's not very well signposted. So when you come off the motorway, you have to go left to
Okay.
go to it.
Yeah, he's very familiar with the road because,
I go to the museum here every year.
yeah, so that's why. And then it's going to be a 50-50 luck and bad luck because you know the weather is something
It's
like,
closed.
huh?
The entrance to it
So
is closed. So how do you get to the zoo park?
we just saw a sign for the zoo park na it's closed. It's marked X.
The road to it is closed.
The road to it. So I don't know if this is the way. Huh.
You have to use TomTom, but I need the address.
Wait. Magto-tom-tom kami.
A few moments later.
So, dito na kami sa parking area. And we have to wear our fleece jackets kasi sobrang lamig. It's maybe 18-20 degree. Pero bahala na basta hindi umuulan. We're just going to go to the entrance para makapasok. Actually, we're 30 minutes earlier than expected. But it's fine. So, and I have to go to the toilet. So, we're back on track. Kasi kagagaling ko lang sa toilet. Naglagay ako ng something. May blood tayo. So,
Red carpet week.
Red carpet week. So here we have this one.
Still in there.
Baby, you don't want to walk? For now, yeah. Yeah. penguins. Baby! Move, anak, move! Turn around! Turn around! It's there, baby!
Hiding.
Ah!
So let them walk across here.
Yes!
The shark is
These are the penguins. Wow!
Afrikaans a penguin.
African's penguin.
What's that?
Wow! So this zoo is very different from Burger Zoo kasi it's more on outdoor. The Burger Zoo kasi is more on indoors. Marami siyang tawag nito, may mga cover siya sa taas. I don't know kung paano ba sabihin. Basta indoor and outdoor. Kayo na ang mag-adjust. Okay, ito din parang exercise namin ni Bana. Sophia will walk later. So, marami siyang mga doors. Have to open the gate. OMG! We are actually inside sa camel.
Sure.
Yay! Yeah!
In there by the fence.
Yeah! Yes! Wow! Nakwak kwak kwak!
What's that? Huh?
Kwak kwak kwak! So Sophia, hoy! Yeah. It's actually amazing. My God. Nakakita kami ng kangaroo. And then, that is the emu goose. Ayan, no?
It's not an emu goose, it's an emu.
Ah, emu. Emu lang pala. So, mali talaga tayo dito ba? I have to open the gates. Ang daming gates kasi, they are just walking around. So, that's why may gates para hindi sila makalabas ng bahay ni Kuya. Okay? So, we are now in the Amazon. Says there. Yes. Oh! They are the South American tapir. They're the tapir.
I'm trying to see what these are called now. Can't remember what they're called now.
Capybara pala yung isa. Pia! Pia! Safe to walk here.
Zoo.
Hier, Ecath.
Een rode neusbeer.
Wil je verder?
So this is the map of the zoo, and it's actually big. It's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 kinds, and then dito kami nanggaling, and then andito pa kami. So next would be the Jangali. OMG.
My favourite animal.
That's awesome. What did you say?
My favourite animal. My favourite big cat. There's a body cat.
OMG.
Oh, get close shot.
Amazing.
Get close. Oh, photo. Stop, 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 stop.
Sophia, what is that na? Wow. So, tinutulugan ako ng layo na yun, no? Yung layo na yun, natutulog siya. Inaantay ko yung isa. Kasi lakad siya ng lakad. Gusto ko siyang picturean. Ayaw pa niya magpa-picture, ha? Tapos si Bana, kulit na kulit. Here? I don't know. This one is better. But you have to wait. Ay, naku. Lakad siya ng lakad. Lakad siya ng lakad. Ano ba yan? Problematic ata itong layo na to. Ayan siya. It's a cyber tiger. Siberian tiger sa English. Kayo na mag-adjust. So, ang ingay ng mga puti, kaya nawala yung mga tigre. Kasi, ang ingay ng mga babae. Nagsilabasa na sana yun sa mga pilinger na mga tawag dito yung mga mangingiyot. So we are now in the lion safari, 100% guaranteed. Dada, there's also their lion.
Wheelchair access only.
Ay, alin for wheelchair. So, you are entering the Ngorongo Nature Reserve.
The Land Rover stays there.
Yay! Wow! Amazing! Ayan, yung nakakita namin. Oh, imagine. Oh my God. Pia, what is that? Wow! OMG! Ang dami nila. I think this place is too small for them. And with that size, so, andito tayo sa Lion's Den ko, no? Yeah. Tingnan nyo yan. Nag-chill sila sa Land Rover. OMG, we made it to the zoo park! You're covering the lions at the back. There's the lions. There.
Yeah.
OMG, they're so close, mga lalabs, you see? Whoa.
Over the roof.
Over the roof. Ooh. Whee! I think this is my favorite part. Yung ano, yung may giraffe. Kasi super ano niya. Super cool. Tignan nyo. Ayan, giraffe at the back.
That's just a stall for the drops. A shelter.
Oh. This is shelter?
Yeah, it's just a shelter. So to push her out.
Daming cheater sa mundo. No, I mean cheetah. Doon sa cheetah, may 3 cheetah kaya madami sila. Ay nako, life talaga. Kahit sa zoo may mga cheater. So, bamboo. So, grabe ang baho. Parang I remember yung ano, yung Philippines sa fish pan na namin. Ganito yung baho niya, as in. Nafe-feel ko yung tropical, kahit malamig. Ayan, may mga deer friends tayo. I think they're stag. Antelope. Ayan o. Dalawa sila. And Sophia is with Dada. Yeah, out. Safe here to walk anyway. Yes. Let's go. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Go to Dada. Wow. So this is the last of it. It's actually 11:30 in the morning, so I think we just did it. Yeah, 1 hour and a half. So because it's just one way, really. It's just one way, so hindi kayo pabalik-balik. Kaya 1.5 hour lang siya. So ayan nyo. Yan. Nag-aantay siya sa akin. So it was nice. 1.5 walk. Si Sophia medyo ano. So another door. Ayan. So it's for the animals. So dito nagtatapos ang aming zoo park. Overland expedition daw eh. So it's okay, so more zoo to visit. And
my wife has set a challenge that we'll go and visit every zoo in the Netherlands.
yes, we will do it.
She set the challenge, not me.
We're going to go to all the zoos here in the Netherlands. No matter how far, basta may zoo, pupuntahan namin. So, okay? I know, just let her. While I go to the toilet. Oh, immediately. Now she knows it's a park. So cutie. Oh, I have to stay here with you then. Let's drink something. Here's no wasp here. Okay, it's your time to play. Go, go.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지